How to turn on developer mode in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn on developer mode on your iPhone. Now for people who do not know what developer mode is a feature on iPhone that allows app developers and tech enthusiasts to access advanced tools and functionalities such as running and debugging apps in real time, connecting to Mac OS, experimenting with your settings to fine-tune app behaviors, and so much more. Now to turn that on for your iPhone, what you'll need to do is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down and you should find an option called privacy and security. Tap on it. And after you're here, scroll down all the way. And after you scroll down all the way, you should find an option called developer mode. Now I do not have this because of the region I'm currently in. So if you do not have it, you can try to restart your iPhone and try to fix the problem. But if it does not appear, it might be an issue with the model of phone you have or the region you are on. So yeah, that is how you enable developer mode on. So just toggle on a button here and you're good to go. So that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.